KKR is an experienced professional ISO 9001 audited company for solid surface product, with CE, SGS, CUPC approval. We commit to R&D, sales, and service of solid surface solutions. Headquartered in Shenzhen City, Associated Factory, Huizhou KKR, with a coverage of 19,000 square meters. Bathroom wares covers freestanding bathtubs, wash basins, shower trays, vanity stools, etc. With a self-owned molding department, there are hundreds of well-preserved molds ready for all products. Besides, custom designs for high-end projects like hotel, apartment, and villas are achievable. KKR features themselves as perfect seamlessly jointing a wide variety of colors and shapes, fine surface, easy maintenance, etc. There are over 300 optional colors and patterns for choices, plus extraordinary flexible color matching service. Fabrication Workshop can combine bathroom wares and stone tops. Many custom countertops, vanity tops, tables, and bar counters, office and reception desks are produced regularly. After years of rapid development, KKR has exported to 107 countries and regions. With 10-year guarantee, KKR is making every endeavor to provide reliable service and qualified products to worldwide wholesalers, distributors, importers, architects, property developers, and so on. With top raw material, strict quality control, and technical regulation, KKR backup with hundreds of 10-year average professional working experience workers. Sincerely welcome your inquiry about the modern craftsmanship products.